Hiccups are sudden and weird noise from your throat, which can be quite disturbing to you and others as well. It is the involuntary contractions of the diaphragm muscle. Irritation in the nerves that extend from the neck to the chest can cause a hiccup sound. These are the 6 steps you can follow to stop hiccups. Number 1. Press the center of your palm with the other hand of the thumb, the harder the better. Number 2. One should inhale the air fully in your lungs. The buildup of air inside the lungs can relax the diaphragm. Number 3. Stick out your tongue or pulling out your tongue with your hand can stop hiccups. Number 4. Sit down and drink water 7 to 10 sips quickly after the one. Number 5. Stick your fingers onto your ears and sip the water with the straw. Number 6. This last one is very effective. One should bend down and drink water from the opposite side of the cup. This will force your abdomen muscle to contract and stop the hiccups immediately. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel.